Hey guys! Today we are going to unbox the Breville Smart Oven. The model number is BOV800XL /A. But anyways, we decided to get the Smart Oven, or just a oven. Toaster oven, because our microwave blew up. It died.
No, it blew up.
Yeah.
Flames.
Yeah, there's flames coming out of it.
That's not the only reason. We had already been contemplating not using a microwave anymore, so it's kind of good timing that it just died. So, anyways.
So I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's $250. And I used a 20% coupon, so after tax it came out to $215. So a great idea of why I bought it from them is because we can try it out, and if we decide that we don't like it, then we can return it.
So this is the Smart Oven, and I think it's called the Smart Oven because you can do more than just like a regular toaster oven, right? Mm-hmm. So this says that this says that no, that's not what I'm looking for. Oh, you can do toast, bagels, you can bake in it, roast, broil, cook pizza, cookies, reheat things, warm things. I thought it was kind of cool that there like comes with a pizza pan, right?
Yeah.
So you can like cook a pizza in here. So that's kind of cool if you don't want to like start up your whole oven, which is my pet peeve. I hate starting the oven for one thing. So, what else?
It's a convention, has a fan in it, so it circulates the hot air. 1,800 watts of power.
Is that a lot?
I guess so. Oh. So, anyways, let's see if you can see this side. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it, if you put on toast mode, it bakes and broils, You can just broil it, and then you can do a convection. But, all right, let's open it. Ready? Open. Oh. Ooh, booklet.
Tray.
So it's like a tray, or maybe it's the...
Like a drawer. Oh, like a crumb catcher.
Oh, crumb catcher. A crumb catcher. Yeah.
A rack. Oh, it's a cooling rack thing too, I think. No, I just made that up. Just a rack.
It's a rack.
Pizza pan.
Pizza pan. 13 inches.
Pretty cool. And then the...
Okay, you can pull it. Wow. That good? Is that alright? I can't see that. Okay. So another rack, or what is this?
The broiling pan.
Broiling pan.
I might have just made that up also.
Yeah. But cookie sheet wrap pan. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Down this way. This is small, I think, huh?
A lot smaller than
It's a lot smaller than I thought.
Good, because I thought it was going to be massive and I was nervous.
Okay.
They see the bottom. That's the bottom.
Yeah. Ooh, bottom. Nice, huh? Okay, so we're gonna flip it over. And here it is. It's very small. I thought it was a lot bigger in the store.
It's good though.
Yeah.
We don't need it to be
Yeah.
that big.
Cool. So, obviously stainless steel around the whole thing. Oh, open it.
Yeah. So, open
Magnets.
flat, so that's kind of
And
cool.
magnets to stick on there, so you can't really. I can feel the pull on it. So yeah, there's some magnets right there.
Yeah, it lays down flat. That's nice because sometimes they only open like that.
So here's the different
Stinks,
options.
though. It smells like,
The sniff test.
yeah. No, smell the inside. It smells like chemical or like plasticky or something. I mean,
I
know
can't really
it's
smell
new,
anything.
so.
So yeah, if you guys can see this right here, it says toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm. And then frozen option, so defrost, and then convention. But yeah, you can change the temperatures and do all kinds of cool stuff. Time, change the functions right here, start button, convention again, Fahrenheit, Celsius, and then frozen option. So, let's see, let's try to put some pans in.
I should have had something ready to cook.
I know. Cookies, I want some cookies. So here's that. Crumb catcher.
Here, give me the book. Let's read the book. This is one of all the things. Oh, hello. Cool.
Bam. Bam.
So, this and that. Oh, I was right. It is a broiling pan. This one.
Oh yeah?
Can you open that?
Here.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
open it.
this is wire wrapped grill. I don't know what that means. I guess
So you
that's-
can grill on it.
No, this is probably like
Just you just put toast on it.
yeah. So this.
You have something right there.
These two is a baking pan and a broiling pan. These two. And then.
Want to put this in there? Ooh, it has
Wait.
3 levels.
Wait.
It's
we
3.
We didn't get a pizza stone.
No.
It's.
So purchased separately, it says. Okay, so there's.
We have a cutting board. Comes with a juicer.
A juicer.
Comes with a new oven.
We're doing a video about chicken.
Yes, not me.
You're gonna help me.
Well, happy.
Yeah.
Okay. Stop.
Okay, say it.
I'm going to.